Dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss some more applications of Mesomeric effect and the lecture number 3. Already we discussed 3 applications of Mesomeric effect under the heading of acidity of phenols, some more belonging to them. Application number 4 under the heading phenols. The greater the number of electron withdrawing groups at the ortho and para positions, the greater the acidic character of phenol. The more the number of electron withdrawing groups like nitro at ortho position, para positions, gradually the acidic character is increased. Thus we can observe here 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, 2 groups at ortho positions and 1 group at the para position, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Ortho para ortho positions completely filled here, trisubstituted phenol. And this is 2,4 dinitrophenol, one ortho position and para position is fulfilled here. 2 electron withdrawing are there. And this is nitrophenol. Nitrophenol is always more acidic than phenol because nitro group is electron withdrawing group. Minus mesomeric effect as well as minus inductive effect is also operating. Here, as 3 groups are electron withdrawing, the acidic character is much enhanced. And so, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol is more acidic than 2,4 dinitrophenol. 2,4 dinitrophenol is once again more acidic than nitrophenol. In the case of nitrophenol, we will be having orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol and paranitrophenol. Already we discussed in the previous class how the effect is going on, and we introduced also intramolecular hydrogen bonding in the case of orthonitrophenol, which made it somewhat less acidic than paranitrophenol. That is reversed there. And so in this nitrophenol, paranitrophenol is more acidic than orthonitrophenol, is more acidic than metanitrophenol, because in the case of metanitrophenol, the mesomeric operation is not at all counted. It is not operative at the meta position, and so that is becoming least acidic in all these 3. And in these 2, due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, orthonitrophenol is made less acidic than paranitrophenol. So, this is the actual order in the case of nitrophenols. Next, we will take halophenols. We will consider halophenols. This is once again special case. Whenever halo group is present like Cl, this will be having plus mesomeric effect as well as minus inductive effect. If it is halophenol, you have to take OH here, for example. And in the case of chloro group, special case, as I previously informed you, minus effect will be dominating plus M. So, whatever explanation is given, it will be on the basis of inductive effect. Chloro group is minus inductive effect. That you have to take into account. Inductive effect is distance dependent. Distance dependent. At ortho position, distance is shorter, more minus I will be there. At a meta position, decreased. At a para position, still further decreased. Minus inductive effect is slowly decreasing from ortho to meta, meta to para. And so you can take here orthochlorophenol, metachlorophenol, parachlorophenol. We have to write the order here. You have to please note it. So now let us consider the ortho, meta, para chlorophenols, which is completely depending on the inductive effect. Because inductive effect is dominating the mesomeric effect in the case of halophenols, which is special case. As the distance is advancing, inductivity is diminishing, and that is why orthochlorophenol is more acidic than metachlorophenol, is more acidic than parachlorophenol, as seen in this case. Similarly, you can take bromo group, same result holds good, iodo group, same results holds good. But in the case of fluoro group, it is a special case once again. In the case of fluoro, you can consider any place you can take here. Here you will having plus mesomeric effect or plus resonance effect and minus inductive effect. As the fluorine's outermost orbit is second orbit, 2p orbital, carbon's outermost orbit is second orbit, 2p orbital. So here in this case resonance effect is more and more than the remaining because of the same size and same orbitals. As a result of which resonance effect is almost equalizing inductive effect. As a result of which inductive is not much dominant than the resonance effect. Both are almost equal. And that is why generally we can say that fluorophenols will be having almost equal acidity as phenol because effect is not that much as in the case of other halophenols. So this is the case of fluoro group. Mesomeric or resonance effect is almost equal to inductive effect. So resonance effect is counterbalancing the inductive effect. So effect is zero. And that is why in the case of fluorophenols, it is almost equal to the acidity of phenol. Fluoro special case. Now let us consider one more application here. I am taking all the orthohalophenols, orthochlorophenol, orthobromophenols, orthoiodophenol, and also orthofluorophenol. Here all are having the same minus inductive effect at the same position once again. If such is the case, that one which is having greater electronegativity will be operating more inductive effect. And so it completely depends upon the electronegativity values of the halogens. You know pretty well the electronegativities of halogens will be decreasing from fluorine to iodine. 4.0, 3.0, 2.8, 2.5. Like this, the electronegativity values are decreasing. So the inductivity is also decreasing. The greater inductivity is seen in the case of fluoro, and that is why you have to say that fluorophenol is more acidic than the remaining. But this is also once again an anomaly. Chlorophenol, orthochlorophenol is more acidic than orthobromophenols because electronegativity is decreasing. Orthobromophenols is more acidic than orthoiodophenol. In the case of fluorophenol, orthofluorophenol, if you consider here, this is having the least acidic character than the remaining all the halophenols. Because fluoro group is very small in size, having high electronegativity, OH group is very much nearer, and so there will be intramolecular hydrogen bonding. This is intramolecular hydrogen bonding. As hydrogen is involved in the hydrogen bonding, release of proton becomes difficult. Such a way, it is happening that its acidic character is even less than iodophenol. And so due to the intramolecular hydrogen bonding in the case of orthofluorophenol, the acidity is decreased to such an extent that its acidity is even less than orthoiodophenol. So this is the orthohalophenol's acidic character. This is the decreasing order. Okay? Please note it. Now let us consider the acidic character of cresol. One more interesting example. Cresol means introduction of CH3 group into the phenol is called cresol. CH4, OH, phenol, CH3 is reduced, then it becomes cresol. That means there will be three cresol: orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. Alkyl group is always releasing. When attached to sp3 carbon, only inductive effect plus I. When attached to sp2 carbon, it is not mesomeric effect, of course. It will be having plus I as well as hyperconjugation. Whenever hyperconjugation and inductive effect are there, you have to just give first priority to hyperconjugation. Basing on that, you have to give the explanation. If hyperconjugation is not seen, you have to give the explanation basing on only inductive effect. Okay? So phenol is always more acidic than any cresol because CS group releasing group, introduction of any releasing group decreases the acidic character of phenol, and that is why phenol is more acidic than cresol. Okay? Now we are considering orthocresol, metacresol, paracresol. In the case of orthocresol, this CS group is having plus inductive effect, also having hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is always releasing. But hyperconjugation is predominant than plus I. That you have to know. Hyperconjugation is always predominant than I. So basing on hyperconjugation, you have to give the result. Anyhow, plus I is also adding to the releasing nature of CH3 hyperconjugation. So here, this acidic character is decreased. In the case of metacresol, here also we are having HEC and plus I. But one thing you have to recall, whenever a group is present at the meta position, whether it is mesomeric effect or whether it is hyperconjugation, whether it is releasing or withdrawing, through the meta position, the effect is not operative. And so here in this case, HEC need not be considered. So, in the case of metacresol, only plus inductive effect will be there. It is also releasing as a result of which the acidic character is decreased. Even metacresol is also less acidic than phenol. Okay. In the case here, once again, we are having two effects. One is HEC, other one is plus I. HEC is dominating here, then HI, then plus I. Anyhow, plus I is adding the effect to the electron releasing nature of hyperconjugation. And here, releasing effect hyperconjugation is not considered here. Releasing effect is small when compared to these two. When the releasing effect is small, almost the acidic character will be increased. And that is why metacresol is more acidic than any of these two. Now we have to compare orthocresol and paracresol in their acidic characters. You know, inductive effect is always distance dependent. Inductive effect is distance dependent. So here, hyperconjugation is common in both the cases. You need not give the explanation through it. Inductive remains there. That is distance dependent. Here, in this case, orthocresol, CH3 group is at a short distance. Its effect is more. When the releasing effect is more, acidity will be decreased. And that is why orthocresol is less acidic than what? You can take the paracresol. It is also having plus inductive effect, but distance is large. Inductive effect is less here. Here, inductive effect is greater here. Inductive effect is greater means acidity is decreased. Inductive less means acidic character is increased. And that is why paracresol is more acidic than orthocresol. And so here, orthocresol is less acidic than metacresol. Metacresol is more acidic than paracresol. Once again, you have to remember, meta is more acidic than para, is more acidic than orthocresols. This is the increasing order of decreasing order of acidic character. This is the decreasing order of acidity of phenol. So meta is more acidic than para. Para is more acidic than ortho because in the case of ortho, inductive is more, releasing effect is more, acidity is small. And what is hyperconjugation here? Why is it not considered the meta position? Through the hyperconjugation, negative charge will be delocalized in the benzene ring. and this is a special case. Under the heading hybrid conjugation, we will discuss. Hybrid conjugation is nothing but participation of sigma electron clouds in the delocalization, a special case. Here, this is the sigma bond between C and H. This is moved towards the benzene ring. The pi electron cloud is polarized, and so you will get here double bond C minus charge at the ortho position with respect to CH3. Using this polarization in the conjugate pi bond, and so this is shifting like this. This is shifting like this, and this bond is going to the para position with respect to CH3. And so here, the bond is shifted, bond be formed, the charge is shifted to the carbon to which the OH group is attached, so minus charge at this carbon. Basing on this polarization in the conjugate pi bond, once again this is obtained here. And this polarization basing the pi bond, same original compound is obtained. In this way, you are getting the minus charge at the ortho position, at the para position, at the ortho position with respect to CH3 group. And in the case of meta, if you take the development of positive charge, negative charge in this, ortho, para, ortho, these three positions will be suited for the development of the negative charge. There is ortho, para, and ortho. At these three positions, the negative charge will be obtained. And there is no negative charge at the carbon to which the OH group is attached. And so, major mesificate or hyperconjugation through meta position, it is not operative. Hyperconjugation through meta position, it is not operative. So, meta position, hyperconjugation need not be considered in the meta position. Only effect is I. Basing on that, we explained. And so, this is the way of writing the resonance forms in the case of toluene or paracresol, or you can write in the orthocresol, same type of resonance forms will be obtained. In the meta position, you will not get the positive charge in the carbon to which OH will attach, and so it is not operative. This is the explanation you have to give. Cresol is also more important, and here you have to take into consideration metacresol is more acidic than paracresol. Paracresol is more acidic than orthocresol. That is more important sequence. Don't forget. One more application that is considered, that is also important. Please note it. One more application which seems to be anomaly once again. Any electron releasing group decreases the acidic character of phenol. That is true. But that is not always true when the substitution is at the meta position. Because at the meta position, mesomeric effect is not operative. So this becomes once again a special case. I am taking here metamethoxy phenol or metahydroxyinzole, metamethoxy phenol, and this is meta-aminophenol, and of course this is phenol, we know. This is meta-aminophenol, and this is phenol. Both are meta. And in this case, once again, if you take methoxy group, it will have plus M effect and minus side. Here also amino group is having plus M effect and minus side. And of course, there is no effect because any substitution is not there in the case of phenol. Phenol itself will be having plus mesomeric effect. And here, plus mesomeric effect is common in both these cases, but it is not operative. Plus mesomeric effect is not operative because the substituents are at the meta position. So this is not operative. Not operative at the meta position. This is also not operative. So the whole explanation now lies with inductive effect in both the cases. Both will be electron withdrawing when attached to sp3 carbon or sp2 carbon. Minus inductive effect will be always there. Of course, Meson-Merck effect is dominating than inductive effect in this case, but it is, as it is not operative, we have to consider only inductive effect. And in this case, practically it is observed that metamethoxyphenol is more acidic. Metamethoxyphenol is more acidic than meta-aminophenol, which is more acidic than phenol. Both are more acidic. Why is it so? You have to compare the inductive effects, which is more electron withdrawing. Electronegativity factor operates here. Electronegativity of oxygen is greater than that of nitrogen. So, minus inductive effect of OCH3 is greater than minus inductive effect of NH2. So, in this case, OCH3 is having more inductive effect than negative inductive effect than amino group. As a result of which this is withdrawing the electronicity more, and so the electronicity at this carbon is decreased, and so it facilitates easy release of proton than in the case of aminophenol. So in this case also, as inductive effect, distance is only the same, but you are comparing the electronegativities. As nitrogen electronegativity is less than the oxygen electronegativity, the withdrawing nature of the amino group is less than OCH3, inductive effect minus is less, so it will be having less acidic character. In this way, metamethoxyphenol is more acidic than meta-aminophenol, meta-aminophenol is more acidic than phenol. This is the explanation you can give in the case of phenols. Almost Meson-Merck effect applications in the case of phenols were studied. Later we have to go to carboxylic acids. Please note it.